As you can see, this driveway is in desperate need of a really good professional clean because it has not been cleaned for over 20 years. There is moss in between the gaps, there's white spots everywhere, there's leaves, there's dirt. It is absolutely desperate for a good professional clean. So that is what we are going to be doing today. And as you've seen, it is a shared driveway, so we are going to be doing both. It's a massive area to clean, got in between the houses as well. So we're going to come down here, going to do the little area just there in front of the neighbours, because predominantly we was just doing this side's property, but it just makes sense to do that one as well. So we're going to be doing the back area here and this little bit of block paving and underneath the kitchen window just there. So that is what we are going to be doing today. So as part of our Friday Freebie Giveaway, we're going to be cleaning this property and next doors completely for free. It is not going to cost anybody any money whatsoever. So let's stop crapping, let's get cracking, let's grip it, rip it, and let's make it shine. Let's do this, baby. Woo! Aww. Because this is a very busy main road, I'm going to pull my van onto the front of the drive to begin with. I'm going to do down the centre of here, then I'm just going to do this back area first, and then I'm going to concentrate on the front. So as you've just seen, I've just taken the drain covers off and this little drain here at the bottom of the drive, because it slopes down this way, and then at the top it goes towards the road just there. So everything's coming down towards here, and then at the back I can bring it into this area as well. There's quite a lot of drains. There's one there, there's one there, there's one around the back as well. So drainage wise, it's going to be a good little day for me. But all I'm going to do now is just going to clean this little drain out here. Then I'm just going to put something over there to stop any of the big parts of debris getting inside there, because I don't want to block that drain, obviously. Whew. Just check out that dirt that comes out of there, and this is a big pan. Look at it all, I can't believe it. So a little trick I learnt to stop filling up your drain when you pressure washer in. Get a little brush like this, a little hand brush, put it down inside there, push the bristles in, there we go. It'll filter any big particles, any big parts of debris, and it'll still let the water in and fill that drain up. By you watching this video, it helps us give away these free services to people who need it the most. So, if you wouldn't mind, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and watch the entirety of this video. Because every penny that goes into it, we put out back into giving away these services. So, thank you very much. Just look at the difference in that. It looks absolutely amazing. Oh, just look. It's night and day. Looks like brand new once again. It's going to look amazing once this is done. Once all the back's done. All this front, this massive drive at the front, it's going to look amazing. Look at that grime line. Look at that. Look at the difference. Now, I'm using the turbo on here because if I use my flat surface cleaner, I'm just going to end up with masses of water. As you've seen, it's puddling here because cars get put on here and it's sunk, as you can see just there on the edges. So it's sunk quite a lot, so the water just puddles in there. So if I've got the turbo, then I can just blast that water out, as you've seen. It just makes it easier than using the flat surface cleaner. So. Look at that before and after. Look at it, look at it, it's amazing. Right, so we have got the back done. There we go. That looks absolutely a million times better compared to what it did before we started. I think you'll agree. That's kind of what we were dealing with prior. And that's what it looks like now. Obviously, it's still got to dry. I'll come back tomorrow and sand it, because I'm not going to get time to do it today, because I have still got the whole of the drive to do. As you can see, there you go. So I need to try and blast that out, because I'm rapidly running out of time. So what a day. It's all been cleaned, chemical treated. All I've got to do now is come back tomorrow. I'm going to sand it, blow it off, and then we'll be done. So I'll see you in the morning. It is the day after, the night before, and look at that. What a difference it makes. Let's just get in some sunlight. Hopefully you can see it. But look at it. Looks like a brand new drive once again. It looks absolutely stunning. The customer's been in contact. They absolutely love it. So all I've got to do now is sand it. Hopefully I bought enough. I've got 5 bags. I'm hoping it's going to be enough to sand this massive driveway. That's what the front looks like this morning. Looks absolutely mint. So, like I said, hopefully I've got enough sand. If not, I'll have to go and get some more. But yeah, we're going to sand everywhere now. So let's stop crapping. Let's get cracking. Woo, baby. As with every clean, regardless if you're paying for it or if it's free, we always finish off by cleaning the windows. So let's clean the windows. So there you go, that is the drive. What a difference that's made, I think you'll admit. Looks absolutely like brand fire new. Straight out of the packet. See where I've just cleaned the windows on the front, done both properties. They're nice and done. So there we go, let me show you the back. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. Furniture's back. This is the bottom. Customer loves it. I love it, I think it's great. Well, that is it for this Freebie Friday. The customers absolutely love the driveway. They cannot believe the transformation that we've been able to do in just a couple of days. So join us next time. I'll see you later. Ta-da, see you there, bye-bye. Whoop. Aww.